I checked the monitor, it looked to be fine, but this was a very expensive monitor, probably would need a little bit more care. The hole was on the screen side of box also. This is my first 144Hz monitor, and man, what a difference. It has that IPS edge glow and the response time could be a bit better, but this is a huge upgrade over my previous ancient monitor from the mid-2000s anyway. FreeSync works like a charm with my GTX 1070. 144Hz with high frame rates at 1080p is a glory to behold. The simple thing of smooth scrolling looks so much better than 60Hz. It's also blindingly bright. If you're after brightness, you hit the gold mine. I have to turn it down to 30% so I don't go blind. Heck, the built-in speakers are terrible though. Built-in speakers for TVs/monitors are never great, but these might be the worst I've ever heard. They sound like 90s budget laptop speakers. My speaker system died, so I had to rely on them for a while. Good God. Get external speakers/headphones. Even with the drawbacks, it's worth it. I'll update my review if it dies or if anything changes. My previous 24-inch monitor was too big for my desk space. This one has nice color, looks great with the small bezels, and is just a great overall monitor for gaming, especially at this size. The controls are located at the back but are easy to maneuver. I also like the stylish stand it comes with. It adds a little flair for a gaming setup and has good tilt adjustability, although no vertical slide, so you may need a monitor stand depending on your setup. Overall, I am very happy. Best Prime Day purchase ever for 178 plus tax. It's a killer display. Highly recommended. Support up to 4K 62K 120 and FHD 144. Just amazing. I used to play on a TV. Playing on this monitor feels like 10 times better. I'm happy with the image and build quality of this thing. Incredible monitor without frames, incredible design and finish. The screen would say that it is the best in its price range. There are better, but already those exceed $200. If you want the best, and you would have to leave for about $600, even more. An excellent IPS monitor, a very good bright. Honestly, the best budget gaming monitor on the market. There is monitors out there that are more expensive, that cost way more. Comes with a VGA cable and package was very well protected. The settings are awesome. My favorite one is the graphics settings, where you can make the best looking graphics. Definitely suggest buying, it's worth high tea. Amazing. Product came on time and wasn't damaged in any way. 10 tens. I'm amazed by the quality of the screen, it's so crispy. I use it to play Xbox One and it's great. However, the screen is flickering a bit sometimes, but I don't know if it's because of the games I play or it's the monitor itself. Just an amazing monitor for the price. It's honestly unbelievable. You get a name brand monitor, amazing color, 1080 HD. 144Hz, with a beautiful picture for a very reasonable price. One of my favorite little features is the buttons on the back. I don't think I've ever had buttons that were easy to use on a monitor, but these are. The best one is an almost joystick-like button that makes navigating the menus a breeze if you want to change settings. It's great for 1080p gaming. The speakers are trashed though. This monitor works perfect for what I want it to. Only issue is that mine came with a dead pixel as shown on the image with this review. I will be following up on this review once I contact Amazon. Updated, replacement monitor arrived in about 2 weeks and so far this monitor has been working very well. Color and saturation are good and customizable. Resolution is really good. I'm no monitor expert but I'm preferring to play on this monitor than on my Samsung 43-inch 4K Smart TV. It just feels better while playing Xbox One. It's the one on the left of my picture. The picture is more crisp and clearer than my 21 screen. The Acer was on a deal and bought it for the same price as the 21 and I'm glad I went up to 23. Eventually I'll get to 27 monitors but these are working just fine for my gaming and computer needs. I messed with the color tuning a bit when I got it BC other in reviews said they needed to and it made a huge difference in quality. I use this as my gaming monitor and the 21 HP as a side monitor for websites and such. The Acer VG271U is a wonderful monitor for the price. It has all the guts you need to do so elegantly. The contrast is fantastic and the brightness is good as well. The stand that comes with the monitor however is really not worth its own time and I recommend buying a VESA mount that can hold its own against wobble. I would definitely purchase this product again if my desk had more room to handle it. These monitors are amazing if you're on a budget. I've been using them for both console, PS4, and PC. I really like the color on them. I've owned Acer monitors before and these have the best color out of all the Acer ones I've tried before. Also the refresh rate is pretty good for the price you pay. But the main focus is the color. You might have to adjust it a little to your liking. But they're great. I've owned two for 6 months. No issues. Click link in description for more reviews.